Hey friends, if you wish to turn off sticky keys on your Windows computer but are unable to do it through the shortcut, then please watch this video. Now listen to this carefully. First of all, we will try the settings method. So right click on the start button and then select settings from the menu. Now go to the accessibility tab on the list on the left hand side and select keyboard in the right pane. Corresponding to sticky keys, there is a switch. If this switch is off, it means sticky keys are off. However, if this doesn't work either, then the control panel method will definitely work. Search for control panel in the Windows search bar and select control panel. Now you can scroll down and you'll find an option called ease of access center. Click on
Always
this,
scan this section.
click on this and then select make the keyboard easier to use. There is a switch for sticky keys. Make sure that it is unchecked. It should be unchecked. Okay, if it's not, then remove the check, click on apply and then on OK.
Always scan this section.
Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.